Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Chats and Channels view in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking the three-dot menu button at the top of Teams to open the main menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings to open your Teams settings page. In the Settings sidebar on the left, click Appearance to view your display options. Now click Chats in the left sidebar to open the chat-specific settings. Under Message Density, click Compact to condense the spacing between messages. Just below that, click the newest message radio button so the most recent message appears at the top. To switch back, click Comfy under Message Density for more spacious message cards. You can toggle between them anytime. Click Compact again to see the denser view applied. If the layout doesn't update right away, refresh Teams or switch to a different chat and back to force the view to reload. The compact setting is useful if you're managing multiple active conversations and need to scan through messages quickly without scrolling as much. These settings only affect your own view. They don't change how messages appear for anyone else on your team. The message density and sort order options are remembered across sessions, so you won't need to set them again unless you want to switch layouts. And that's how to change the Chats and Channels view in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.